What's up? Back with another video. All right, so today is Saturday, May the 28th, and we're going front wheel drive, no prep racing. There's gonna be some rear wheel drive shit out there too. Hopefully I can see. I don't know where I'm at. I don't know. Hold on. Can you see me? Nope, I'm gonna feel wet. All right, I'm gonna just go back out here in the sun. All right, we're going front wheel drive, no prep racing. I'm gonna be driving Nick's car. Christian's gonna be driving Special K. I gotta change the oil in Nick's car, put oil pressure gauge on it, and change the hell's that shit called? The igniter in the distributor. If y'all long time followers of the channel, you know that Milkshake, one of our turbo front wheel drive cars, which is now going all wheel drive, which will be in another video later on once his motors get done being built at the machine shop. We sold his his burnt and coil on plug and a distributor to Nick, well, to Christian. Christian sold it to Nick, and we put it on Nick's car, and it did great for a while, and then we started having igniter issues again. So if you remember, like, I don't know, maybe a couple years ago, we went to Rockingham, and the car would like do this random cut out in third gear. Well, that car is doing the same thing too, and we swapped the igniter out and it fixed the issue. So I'm gonna go get in the speaker box over there, that white damn Tahoe, and hook it up to the trailer, and then I'm gonna get it off the trailer, get in the shop, get on the lift, get the oil change, put the oil pressure gauge in it, and change the igniter.
All right, let's try this again.
Is that my GoPro?
It is your GoPro.
I already filmed an intro
What intro did you film?
about what we're doing today.
Okay, so we are taking Hulk and Special K to the no prep. Obviously, Phil probably already said that.
Yeah.
Okay, my boy is getting this car right because supposedly Philip feels like it's the distributor.
I know it's a distributor.
He knows it is, and he has been. His record as far as being right around here has been pretty fucking good. Not mad at him at all. So the car keeps loading up and breaking up. So yeah, he's gonna put a different igniter on it, a whole different distributor, because there were some pieces in that one. Maybe the pickup came apart. It's not worth pulling it apart to actually see it. We've got a couple here. So yeah, we're gonna sort that out, figure out why this throttle cable is stretching. Maybe put another one on. Yeah, so we're gonna get that sorted. He did oil change, little once over on everything, and then yeah.
Put the oil in it, and I have to empty the catch can.
Oh, okay. Well, yeah. I'm gonna let him handle that. I'm gonna go mess up mine a little bit, and then we'll be loading up and going to Fayetteville for the Dig or Die Pee-wee built front wheel drive outlaw fucking Morrison built gonna win because we're the only ones competing.
We're probably the only two people going.
Yeah. So we're gonna represent for my dog. I got his I got my Pee-wee built shirt on today, so I'm happy that Tiff talked to, who's the guy that runs it again? Eric, right?
Eric,
yeah. Talked to Eric about getting the class back. So let's see if we can grow this thing, because my boy loves some no prep. Bet to the sky. We'll see y'all out there.
All right, guys. So we made it to the track. We've been here for a couple hours now, just shooting the shit. They're just now allowing everybody to do test hits. Christian said that his car is way too fast for anything out here, so he's not making a test hit. But we're gonna do a test hit in the Hulk and see if we solve the igniter issue. And we got my boy Bruce's little sport front wheel drive car right here. It really ain't sport front wheel drive, it's a street car, but it do got sport front wheel drive front end. Bruce, you plan on keeping the axles in this thing?
Probably not.
If you break an axle on no prep, just retire.
I might as well retire.
Is Timmy driving it?
Somebody.
Are you driving it?
We're gonna have problems with it, bro.
You're gonna have to tuck them chains when you drive this thing, bro.
We'll put Christian in it.
Oh shit. You must not really want it to come back.
You can put who in it? Christian.
He can't drive.
You can put Christian in it?
Yeah.
Let me get the other axles up.
Yep.
We'll put her in it. Ah, yo.
Driver mod.
Where was I at here? Right here. Ow.
All right, so I'm putting the GoPro inside the car so y'all can see me miss a bunch of gears, and yeah, I'll get back with you guys. You should be able to get down. I mean, you leave it like 4 grand, so.
Yeah.
Oh, you gonna wear the driving gloves?
These are for changing
my
tires.
boy. Oh.
Changing tire gloves.
He's putting the driver gloves on. All right, guys. So just did a test hit in the Holt, left entirely. First car wouldn't do a burnout in third or second. So what we're gonna do next time is do a burnout in first gear. I made a hit and pretty much lost to Danny, but we just wanted to see if the car would cut in third gear or not. Pretty much just blew the tires off first and second gear, and I think I short shifted to 1-2, I'm not sure, or I just didn't let it spin enough and it didn't have enough mile an hour. But I did a test hit up there, and when I did the test hit, I left at like 4,000 RPM, and I kind of just like rolled out of it and then just let it hit VTEC, and it kind of spun a little bit, but then I pedaled it and it hooked up. So then I shifted to second and it was good from then. So I'm just gonna let the car cool down. Christian's gonna make a hit in the Special K, and then I'm gonna stick the GoPro in there, and once he gets back we'll probably make another hit in this, and then after that we'll just wait around pretty much until either the class starts or more people show up, because it's only pretty much 3 people in the class right now and we're all friends. So
You able to grab those big tires?
tell your dad's come. You gonna get fucking put on YouTube, my boy.
2 in the brake. Look at right now.
2 in the brake. How about just give you the back tire? Come on, man. You got all them horse pressures and shit.
You got lane street tires.
Street tires. Come on, Tiff.
Tiff, talk it up.
Get your boy. He said he got some for that black car. It's gonna be some black on black violence over here. Fake PD is gonna be all over this shit.
Who is?
Fake PD. We got murder J32 right there. Yeah. I had to save this man from a fucking all-wheel drive B-Series car.
I got all that. Same, yeah. So they came from the factory. I missed them. They're an Englishman. Oh, yeah. I was like, y'all come from the factory?
This car came from the factory too, man.
Huh?
This car came from the factory too. All his parts came from the factory. Yeah, see? We're all good.
When you ready? Right now. I gotta pull up. Donald said he had some. Get this thing shaking. Nobody else is racing. Yeah, nobody else. I done tried. I got 60.
Oh, you got 60 bucks? Oh.
I gotta at least leave with 20. Yeah, I figured I got $5 more. My deep friend was that bigger payout.
Yo, you got an exhaust leak?
On that bitch. That fucking candles are lit on that thing.
Oh, shit. You got an exhaust leak? Oh, damn,
And then
terrible.
you said you want to go for 40? We can do 60. Oh. We could do that.
There we go. You may go make his gas money back.
Oh, that'd be nice. That leaves me with 20 when I leave. There you go. Alright, so I'm running 2 V8 cars.
Oh, there we go.
At a no price.
Yeah. We can't do nothing on motor.
Huh?
We can't do nothing with this motor with that gas.
And that gives me time
We gotta
to
change
cool down.
gas. Once we change gas, it's game on.
Alright, I'll pull back up and then I guess we'll shake it.
I'll meet you when you get down there because I don't want to come back up there.
Damn, I thought Tim will walk back with me, don't want you.
2 chains. 2 chains got you. What happened? What happened? What happened? What happened, Danny? What happened?
Let's see what it does with that white one.
It's gonna be worse.
Jamie's never beat me in
That's a fucking gate. Oh, so Jamie never beat you
has
up?
never beat me in no prep.
Oh, so you trying to put another 100 on it?
I told you what I had.
Oh, so what, $60?
That's all I got.
All right, bet. You gonna lock in with him for 60? All right.
So you gotta cool down.
I don't know if he wants to or not. Damn, he missed second? Yeah, Chris missed second. But I think he still came around him though.
Kind of
I think so. I think so. The GoPro gonna tell.
We didn't have nobody down there.
Alright guys, so this is gonna conclude the video. We won a lot of racing. I mean, we did
So basically, I guess a lot of other tracks were open today. This was been planned for a little while. They threw the front wheel drive thing in recently, I think, what, a week, 2 weeks ago?
No, they threw it in whenever they created the event.
Okay.
Yeah.
So people have known about it. A lot of people didn't show up. We came out, represent for my boy Pee Wee. I always will do that. 3 imports, or 3 front wheel drive cars. Special K, Bruce's car, and then the
Nick's
whole
car. Yeah.
Nick's car. So we had a good time. We didn't really race each other like to find out who the fastest is. I mean,
We already know this car.
okay.
Yeah, we know.
Yeah, so obviously I was the fastest here, but anything can happen. You all see the footage. I raced a twin turbo vet,
Yeah, twin turbo vet, and then
I raced a ZL1 Camaro,
yeah, ZL1,
and I
yeah.
missed second. I lost.
Yeah.
But it was a good race.
Yeah, but Danny's car is like, it's a dud at the track, but it works really good on the street.
So
Nobody knows why, but sometimes you have those cars that just work really good on the street.
So we came out on gate.
Yeah.
Yeah, we have no boost control. Boost control's turned off. And the car did really good. I'm impressed. I mean, it always impresses me, seems to, even with the choo-choo turbo. But we had a great time. We came out, we represented. It was good vibes. Phil got a couple of hits on hold.
Yeah.
Those went good. I think we got Nick's car finally sorted.
Yeah, we got it sorted out. We just got to put a timing light on the distributor, because we didn't do that whenever we changed the distributor. Because we found out the actual entire distributor was fucked up and not just the igniter. So something inside of it was coming apart. So we just decided to change the whole unit, and the car's doing good. It's got like a little hiccup between second and third whenever you go into third, but we feel like it's like timing related, because the car didn't do that before. And it's either that or it's falling out of VTEC, and then it falls back, and then it, you know, grabs back into VTEC. So, but yeah,
we had a good time. We represented.
Yeah.
We're gonna get out of here earlier than most people, because I got stuff I need to do. He's got stuff he needs to do. So,
so yeah, hope.
Don't forget to tell him.
What?
You know what to tell him.
What? Comment, like, share, subscribe. You know the one. You smell it.
Ebony and Ivory Performance.
Ebony and Ivory Performance. We're probably gonna change the channel name to Ebony and Ivory Performance. So y'all gonna be seeing Christian doing a lot of videos solo, and I'll obviously be doing the editing, and then we've been putting the videos out. So like he said, as always, comment, like, share, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next upload.